In this video, we're going to talk about synthetic division of polynomials. For example, we have divide 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 11x minus 14 by x minus 2. Now, the format of the division is always in the nature of x plus or minus c. Some books will use k, the same. So, for you to solve this question, the first thing you need to do is to resolve x minus 2, which is, you say x minus 2 equals 0. If x minus 2 equals 0, therefore x equals 2. So you bring the x and pick only the coefficients. The coefficient we have here is 3. Coefficient we have here is negative 8. Coefficient we have here is positive 11. Coefficient we have here is negative 14. So the next move we do is to bring down this one. We'll bring it down, 3. Multiply it with this, x. 3 times 2 gives us 6. We put it here. Add it together with this. Add. Negative 8 plus 6 gives you 2. Negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 gives you negative 4. You add 2 of them. 11 minus 4 gives you 7. 7 times 2 gives you 14. You add. Minus 14 plus 14 gives you 0. So because of that, this last one is always the remainder. This is the constant. Here is x. Here is x squared. You keep increasing. So since these are the coefficients, we have here 3x squared minus 2x plus 7. Then here we have 0. This is the answer. Since our remainder is 0, it means that x minus 2 actually is a factor of this polynomial. Let's look at another question. The next question we have here says divide 5x squared minus 3x minus 36 by x minus 3. Following the same steps as we did in the previous one, we resolve here first. X minus 3 equals 0. Because of that, x equals 3. So we divide and say 3. Divide, we pick only the coefficients. Now, the coefficient we have here is 5. We have here negative 3. We have here negative 36. Okay, we move. We bring down the first one, which is 5. Bring it down. Sorry, only one arrow. We bring it down. 5. 5 times 3 gives us 15. We add. Negative 15 plus, negative 3 plus 15 gives us 12. 12 times 3 gives us 36. So if we add, negative 36 plus 36 gives us 0. So because of that, what we have is 5x plus 12. And this also means we have remainder 0. It also means that x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So we look at another question. It says, if 3x squared minus x minus 5 is divided by ax minus b, the quotient is 3x minus 1, and the remainder is c. Find the values of a, b, and c. Now here, one thing you need to note is that they are telling us that the remainder r is c. So we're going to work with that. Okay, now remember, first of all, we resolve here, which is 3x minus 1 equals 0. Because of that, 3x equals positive 1, right? That means that x is equal to what? 1 over 3. So if x equal to 1 over 3, we bring 1 over 3 and now write out the coefficients. 3, 1 is here, 1, -5. So we first of all bring down the first one, which is 3. Bring it down. 3. 3 times 1 over 3 gives us 1. The reason is because if we have 1 over 3 times 3, this 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. 3 times 3 gives us 3. 3 times 1, I beg your pardon, gives us 3. 3 times 1 gives us 3. So, which is 3 over 3, which is 1. So we write 1 here. This is -1. It was a mistake. -1 is there. So write it. So we add this and this. -1 plus 1 gives you 0. Here is -5. This 0 times this 1 over 3 is still 0. So we write 0 here. Add it to -5. Still gives you -5. You can see this is A, B, and C because they told us that R is C. So we say since R is C, we say A is 3. They want us to find values of A, B, and C. So A is 3, B is 0, C is -5. So that is the answer. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. Thank you.